Welcome to Bentolandia.
For example, we want to resize one of these private jet decors.
I got this plane jet from a drivable vehicle in Sims 3. The scale is perfect enough, since it's meant to be used with the sim in the cockpit. Now we want to resize the cool airlines jet a little bit bigger.
Let's edit our private jet package file using the TSR workshop.
I am copying these two files, when actually I am only using one of them.
Click on the export icon to get the 3D file in WSO format. But as you can see, the high level of details model is the same as the medium level of details model. Therefore, we only need to export the model of the high level of detail. Let's open the Milkshape. Now we will need to import the TSRW file. It has two groups, the group 0 and group 1. We will resize both of them. First, select the group 0 to resize it. Then click on Scale. Make sure the Scale option is using the origin point, not the center of mass.
I am editing it further, but it's not necessary for resizing process.
So you may just deselect the group 0 by clicking again the select button. Then select the group 1 to do the same resizing process as the group 0. Now we can export this 3D model into WSO format again. Select the TSRW object. Now we want to export it for the medium details. Since the medium details only have one group, we will need to delete the group 1. Then we can do the same exporting process for medium details. Now click on the green import icon. If you get this error, it means you cannot edit the file, so you will need to make it from the beginning. But first, you will need to export these images: the overlay, mask, multiplier, and specular.
I did not export the multiplier and specular, since those two are the same as the overlay picture in this project.
To make object from beginning, we actually clone the existing objects of the Sims 3. We are cloning the pedestal cube, just like our original private jet. Now let's import our resized model. Let's change these images with our jet images.
I usually set the shininess to 0, so the model won't get too bright in midday.
You can do the same importing process for the medium details. Then we want to update the shadow base of our new model. We can directly export this object into package file.
Usually I added the package file of a decor object, so it can show up on the landmark menu. Let's see how it works in the game. As you can notice, now it has better proportional.
Thank you for watching. You may hit the like button. Also share if you like. And subscribe.